Let's talk a little bit more about what exactly a prosthodontist is. A prosthodontist is a dental specialist who specializes in managing replacement of missing teeth and oral structures. Prosthodontists go through 7 years of school, 4 years of dental school, followed by 3 additional years of full-time specialty training. Now, what sets prosthodontists apart from regular dentists, besides the amount of training they get, is that we are trained to examine a patient from a very holistic point of view. We don't just treat a single problem, such as a missing tooth or a crooked tooth. We want to treat the patient as a whole. The field of prosthodontics is concerned not just with fixing teeth or replacing missing teeth. It is about the art and the science of dentistry. So a huge part of our training involves the why we do treatment a certain way, as opposed to just doing it because it is fashionable or doing it because that's what the manufacturer advises us. Prosthodontists are also ideally equipped to manage complex treatment plans. Sometimes, multidisciplinary treatment is required in order to restore a patient's smile. This may involve implant surgery, it may involve jaw surgery, it may involve orthodontics, it may involve gum surgery as well. When multiple disciplines are involved and multiple specialists are involved in the overall treatment, prosthodontists often take the role of the leader in terms of dictating where the treatment plan goes and how the patient achieves the end result that they want. So if you feel like you have complex dental needs, be it in terms of cosmetic dentistry, or missing teeth, or a whole mouth that needs treatment, we invite you to come to see us for a complimentary consultation to let you know what your options are.